Hello students, how are you? By the grace of God, weekly trading levels are ready and I am presenting over here. When I entered in stock market about 30 years back, my first guru was Ram Kumar Ori, R.K. Ori. वो दो बातें अवश्य उन्होंने मेरे को समझाई. सबसे पहली बात, पेशेंस इज द नेम ऑफ द गेम. पेशेंस इज द नेम ऑफ द गेम. इफ आई एम नॉट wrong, then I can say he bought shares of Vatsla Diesel and Shri Adhikari Brothers long back. I'm talking about 30 or 26 or 25 years back. And he never bought stocks in bulk. He always used to buy a very small quantity of 200 shares, 200 shares, 200 shares. After a few years, he called me. He said, you can sell 2400 or 2100 stocks of Shri Adhikari Brothers and 1800 or 2000 shares of Vatsla Diesel. I said, did you bought such a big quantity? You always used to buy 200 stocks only. He said, you know better. You tell me, what is the quantity? When I checked and I was surprised, what he was saying was absolutely the same. And you know what was the price of Shri Adhikari Brothers and Vatsla Diesel when he sold those stocks? That was about 2000. He bought below 25 and he sold stock above 2000. What he used to say, patience is the name of the game, he followed the same in his life. Number two, his advice. He said, when you are wrong, he was investor as well as the trader. When he used to trade anything and is wrong, his position is on the wrong side, what he used to say, if I am wrong, just reverse it with the double quantity. If I sold 1000, now buy 2000. If I am wrong, if I have sold and price is moving up, just go and change quickly, as fast as you can. Don't wait. These two learning, it's very easy to say. Patience is the name of the game. It is very easy to say reverse your wrong trades. But in real life, these two principles, to follow these two principles, it's very tough. It's very tough. If we can make it easy, this stock market is for us. If I introduce Ram Kumar Ori, he was IPS officer. He was IG police. He was the IG Chandigarh and he was the IG for the Z category which was being provided to Narasimha Rao when he was the Prime Minister of the country. Ram Kumar Ori, a perfect economist, a perfect IPS officer, a perfect poet. He was fond of Urdu poetry. He used to tell many shares at many times. एक शेयर मुझे ध्यान है जिसका मीनिंग मैं इस समय कह सकता हूं. व्हाट ही सेड इज, ए बाज या ए परिंदे, तू विपरीत हवाओं के चलने से मत घबरा, ये विपरीत हवाएं तुझको और ऊपर उठाने के लिए चल रही हैं. वो शेर मुझे ध्यान नहीं है लेकिन उसका मीनिंग अभी भी मुझे ध्यान है. अभी वो इस दुनिया में नहीं रहे. ही लेफ्ट all of us about 1.5 years back. A perfect person. This video is in his memory. Unki yaad mein. With these words, lots of love, blessings, happy trading, happy investing to all my students.